Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can download privacy data that Samsung collected about you on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, in here, you want to go down and tap on privacy. Then tap on Samsung Privacy, and then tap on the menu key on the top left, and you will need to sign in to download your data. So tap on the sign in button and sign in to your account that you have used on your device. Okay, once you have signed in, tap on the menu key again, then tap on download data. Okay, once the page has loaded, you want to go down and choose what kind of data you would like to download. You can see there's quite a lot of things that Samsung collect about your information, such as your Samsung account, Samsung Social, Bixby Voice, Galaxy Store, themes, members, SmartThings, cloud, call and text on other devices, Samsung Pass, Find My Mobile, Galaxy Wearable, customization service, Samsung Visit In, and much more. So you can either select all, so choose the all button, so all gets selected, and once you have selected what you want to download, tap on the request a download, and then tap on request. Now they will schedule for the request to download. You need to put in the password of your account. So put in the password and you can tap on the view request right here. So you can see it is processing at the moment. Once it's ready, you'll be given an option to download your data. At the moment it is processing, so we're just going to have to wait for that to come back. And that's it. That's how you can download your privacy data that Samsung has collected about you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.